Pablo Mixtape, Flood the Street ni YBNet. Ito yun, may music video, Iceberg.
Yeah, 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 slide. Sabi ko sa'yo, baby, yung puso ko para na iceberg. Ayoko na mag-spend sa kama, she know I'm a fighter. 5% tip, pag mula ba, di makita sa Chrysler. She know I'm a good, sa kama, alam ko she want me to find her. Kahit medyo ang susi yung life, alam ko na she still wanna fuck me. Pinakita ko sa'yo ng pera lang yan, mas pera, she know I'm a friend. If I'm gold, then I gotta be, we gon' smoke and we fuck sa bago. Pretty fresh, no thanks, I'm fresh. Medyo bloody, parang kala mo Halloween. I know she gon' give me that kid. I know, she makes me feel like it's my birthday. Sabi nga she gon' be free tonight. I think I need me some protein. Yeah. I think I need me some protein. Yeah. I think I need me some blue just right. Going out bad, it's gonna be in the night. I'm the star, I'm right, I'm fine. Baby, already white. That is not taking down anytime. But we'll be getting baby, don't be sad. We'll be getting baby, don't be sad.
Yung producer talaga dito. Eto ganitong type na kanta is hindi dito naka-highlight, okay? Hindi naka-highlight dito yung lyrics. Kundi yung naka-highlight dito is yung producer. Yung producer yung naka-highlight dito. Yung gumawa ng beat, yung nag-mix, okay? Tsaka yung flow. Yun yung highlight dito. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na useless yung lyrics dito, okay? Iba lang yung ina-highlight dito. Sa mga hindi nakaintindi, sa hindi naka-enjoy nito, sa ganitong vibe, subukan nyo wag makinig sa lyrics, okay? Doon kayo sa flow, okay? Like, wag nyo naman literal yung sinabi ko na wag pakinggan yung lyrics. Wag nyo literal kasi parang tanga naman. Di ba? Pero, i-feel nyo yung vibe. Tsaka, pakinggan nyo yung mga pitik ng mga lyrics. Like, boom. Yan. Sobrang angas. Ayun na.
Already high, that is not taking down anytime. We'll be getting baby, don't be sad. We'll be getting baby, don't be sad. We'll be getting baby, don't be. I'm in my head, I'm after this. She give me head,
Beast, man.
Darling, don't you know that that's not my big fish. So now it's not thinking why I can't swim. I don't want I'm gonna go, and I'm going to that's all that I'm in swim. Sabi ko sa'yo, baby, may puso ko para na
Iceberg!
pero minsan I can't return. Na she wanna my team plan. Puso para na
Like, oh my God, man. Kung isa ka sa nag-mix, mabilib ka dito kung paano to. Paano minix, paano nilagay yung auto-tune. I mean, mas ma-appreciate nila. Oh, wow. Gusto ko tong ganitong type, ganitong vibe ni YBNet. Lalo-lalo na yung yung malakas. Yung kasama si Kio. Like, god damn. Sobrang lamig pakinggan. Sobrang cool, sobrang astig, sobrang kalmado. Mala Mafia boss yung dating. Big Boss Oma yung dating dito. Napatunayan na kasi ni YB yung letrahan. Dati ganun kasi yung style niya. Bara talaga. Bars talaga. Tapos speed rap. Malinis mag-rap, pinatunayan niya na. Ganun naman yung rapper. Kailangan niya mag-explore na ibang style. Kasi boring din yung paulit-ulit. Tapos, artist ka Gawin mo lahat ng gusto mo. Gawin mo lahat kung anong feeling mo.
pero minsan I can't return. Na she wanna my team plan. Puso para ng iceberg. I'm a sport, I bitch, but she my line or two. Mula church, I'ma take her to Malibu. Baby, you know my spend. Buko ng kahit yung beat na ma-finest view. Gusto niya lavish, I like it too. I like it too. That was the fun things. I like it too.
Tapos hindi naman siya masyadong mumble talaga compare sa mga ibang nagmamumble. Si YB maintindihan pa din talaga.
pero siguradong ako dating.
Pero siguradong darating. Di na to search for you, my team, my team. Di na to search for you, my team, my team. Sabi ko sa'yo, baby, yung puso ko para ng iceberg. Ayoko na mag-inis, pero sa kama, sino ang mag-find 5% tin, pag muna para di makita sa Chrysler. She know I'm a do it good, pag sa camera lang ko, she want me to grind her. Sabi ko sa'yo, baby, yung puso ko para ng iceberg. Ayoko na mag-inis, pero sa kama, she know I'm mag-find her. 5% tin, pag muna para di makita sa Chrysler. She know I'm a do it good, pag sa camera lang ko, she want me to grind her.
Oh, wow. Solid man, solid yun. Gusto ko reakan yung mga ibang kanta ni YB sa kanyang album, pero sa tingin ko mas gusto ko reakan na may music video. Kaya yung re-reakan ko na lang yung may music video. Doon na lang ako magre-react.